alphabet B?
B.
B says ball.
Let's learn how to write B.
Let's have a look at few things that start with letter B.
This is a butterfly. This is a ball.
Can you guess who is this? Yes, it's a bear. This is a banana. Can you guess what are these? That's right. These are balloons. Yes, a baby. This is a boat. How about we try short sentences with alphabet B?
Are you ready, kids?
The bear plays with the ball. Monkey likes to eat banana. The baby likes balloons. The butterfly is resting on the bench.